Imagine a land producing over 2.5 million tons of green gold every year, where avocados are not just an agricultural product, but a profound source of national pride. This is Mexico, the avocado capital of the world. From the fertile volcanic hills of Michoacan, which produces over 73% of the nation's avocados, to the lush farms of Jalisco and Puebla, each avocado carries a story of vitality, history, and unique flavor. With more than 1.1 million tons of avocados exported annually, Mexico has created a resounding success story for this mighty fruit, bringing it from local orchards to dining tables across the United States, Japan, and Europe. But do you know what lies behind these impressive numbers? It's the sweat and hard work of thousands of farmers, the burning passion of an entire nation for this remarkable fruit. Join us as we explore the magical journey of the avocado, the green gem of Mexico, from the fields to tables worldwide. Avocado, not just a superfood with creamy flavor, but also a symbol of health and nutrition. A medium-sized avocado contains around 250 calories, packed with healthy fats, fiber, and an array of essential vitamins and minerals. Mexico, producing over 40% of the world's avocados, doesn't just grow an incredible fruit. It's an integral part of the nation's cuisine and culture. Avocados are a tropical and subtropical fruit that thrive in warm climates with moderate humidity. The avocado tree grows best in fertile volcanic soil with excellent drainage and a pH range of 5.5 to 7. The avocado planting process begins with seed germination and the application of advanced grafting techniques. The rootstock is nurtured in the shade to stimulate strong root development, creating a solid foundation for healthy avocado trees that will produce high-quality fruit. Before planting, farmers prepare the soil by plowing deeply, removing weeds to improve drainage, and adding organic fertilizer to enhance soil fertility. Avocado trees are typically planted during the dry season, from March to May, with seedlings spaced 7 to 10 meters apart to ensure they receive adequate sunlight and nutrients. The irrigation system plays a crucial role in caring for avocado trees. Farmers typically use drip irrigation to deliver water directly to the tree's roots, saving water and preventing disease. This system ensures that the trees aren't waterlogged, as avocado trees need well-draining soil. Regular watering, especially during the dry season, helps the trees grow strong and produce high-quality fruit. The use of pesticide spraying machines instead of manual spraying in agriculture can help save labor costs by up to 30 to 50%, depending on the scale and nature of the farm. A study in Mexico found that using spraying machines can increase spraying efficiency by up to 40%, while reducing pesticide usage by 20 to 30% due to more precise application. This not only protects the environment, but also minimizes the negative impact on soil and water. While these figures may vary depending on the specific technology and land area, it is clear that the adoption of spraying machines brings significant improvements compared to traditional methods. Pruning avocado trees also plays a crucial role in maintaining tree health and high yield. Avocado trees need to be regularly pruned to remove weak, diseased, or overcrowded branches, creating space for light and air to circulate. Special avocado varieties like HFT and bacon require specific pruning techniques for optimal growth. Avocado flowers, although not strongly fragrant, play an important role in the pollination process thanks to insects like bees. These flowers are divided into two types. One blooms in the morning and the other in the afternoon. This pollination process lasts from spring to summer, and it takes about 6 to 8 years for the avocado tree to reach peak productivity. After pollination, the avocado fruit begins to develop and takes 6 to 9 months to mature. Although avocados do not ripen on the tree and must be harvested before ripening, stable climatic conditions with the right humidity and temperature are crucial for the fruit to develop properly. After pollination, avocados take about 6 to 12 months to grow and reach their ideal size for harvesting. This requires patience and a deep understanding of each avocado variety. The process of harvesting avocados in Mexico is truly an art and requires meticulous care. The timing of the harvest depends on the variety of the tree and climate conditions, but generally avocados are harvested when they have reached the proper size and a certain firmness, even though they still retain their characteristic green color. Avocados do not ripen on the tree but must be harvested and ripen afterward. Therefore, harvesting must be done at the right time to ensure quality. Each year, Mexico produces over 2.5 million tons of avocados, with more than 1.1 million tons exported to international markets. A team of workers can harvest 2 to 3 tons of avocados per day, but each avocado must be handled with great care to avoid bruising or damage. Workers use tall ladders to reach the avocado branches, carefully picking each fruit by hand, using sharp knives or shears to cut them, ensuring the stems are intact to protect both the fruit and the tree. With every avocado harvested, Mexican farmers are contributing to a global industry, bringing amazing flavors to tables around the world. Did you know that avocados must be picked while still green to ripen properly after harvest? Share your thoughts on the care and precision involved in this harvesting process. Immediately after harvest, avocados are carefully inspected to remove any that are damaged or show signs of pests, ensuring only the best quality fruit reaches the market. This process requires significant effort and skill, as avocados are very delicate and easily bruised if not handled gently. They must be kept firm to ensure they can withstand long transportation without compromising their quality. After being carefully harvested from avocado orchards, the fruit is immediately transported to processing facilities, where the next steps are taken to ensure fresh, high-quality avocados for consumers. The processing begins with a crucial step: rapid cooling. This specialized technique quickly lowers the temperature of the avocados to halt the ripening process and keep them fresh for longer. This cooling not only preserves their freshness, but also prevents damage during long-distance transportation. After cooling, each avocado is thoroughly washed with sanitized water to remove dirt, bacteria, and any impurities from the harvesting environment. This step is essential to ensure that the avocados are not only clean, but also safe for consumers. After being cleaned, the avocados are sorted based on size, shape, and quality. Only those that meet the standards are retained, while damaged or diseased ones are discarded. The packaging process is crucial to protecting avocados throughout their journey from the facility to consumers. Avocados are carefully packed in specialized packaging to shield them from impact while preserving their freshness, flavor, and nutrients. Depending on distribution requirements, they may be packed in trays, bags, or airtight boxes. This packaging not only safeguards the avocados from external factors, but also helps maintain their freshness for an extended period. Additionally, in some processing facilities, avocados may be packaged in antioxidant-resistant packaging to prevent discoloration when exposed to air. Distributing avocados to international markets also requires rigorous quality checks and controls to ensure that every avocado reaching consumers is of the highest quality. With all these meticulous processes, every avocado is carefully handled at every stage and protected to deliver the best experience to consumers. From harvest to processing, the entire process is closely monitored to ensure each avocado retains its natural flavor, nutrition, and quality, arriving at your hands in perfect condition. The production process of guacamole or avocado sauce in the factory takes place in a strictly controlled environment to ensure the highest quality. From selecting ingredients to processing, every step is carefully carried out to preserve the fresh flavor and nutritional value of the avocados. The final product is carefully packaged, stored under ideal conditions, and thoroughly quality checked before reaching consumers. Every step in the process is designed to deliver a safe and exceptional culinary experience. Avocados are not just a delicious food, but also an excellent source of nutrients for your health. The healthy fats in avocados help lower bad cholesterol, protect heart health, improve eye health, support digestion, and keep your body strong. What impresses you the most about the journey of an avocado? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to follow our channel to discover more fascinating stories about avocados and other exciting journeys.